Hi everyone, I would like to welcome you once again in my another tutorial where I will teach you how you could create a virtual network and you can create virtual machines. Two virtual machine I will create in this video, and I will also show you how I could connect the virtual machines with the help of that virtual network. So let's start. To do that, as you have seen that there is no resource group available in the portal, and first of all you have to log into your Microsoft account, and you must have subscription as well. Now I'm moving to the resource group, and I'm going to create our resource group, and I'm naming it. First we have to choose our subscription, and I'm giving the name our virtual network. Okay, I'm going to give a review and clicking on create. So as you have seen that we have created our resource group, which is known as virtual network. Now in second step I'm going to create a virtual network. So you have to write in the search box virtual networks, and you have to click on it. From after going there, you have to click on create. You have to choose your subscription. You have to choose your group, and I'm giving a name it vnet1. Okay, I'm going to create review. If everything is going good, then validation should be passed, and now you can click on create button. So it will create a virtual network. So right now deployment is in progress. It may take couple of minutes to create your virtual network. So our virtual network is created. We can check it to go to the resource. So as you have seen that our virtual network is created. Now it's time to create virtual machines. So we will create two virtual machines. To do that, we can click on virtual machine from here, or we can search the virtual machine from the search bar. Virtual machine. So I'm clicking on it, and I'm going to create our first virtual machine. So we have to ensure our subscription as well at the time of creating virtual machine. Let's try it once again. So I'm clicking on virtual machine. I am choosing my subscription. I am choosing my research group. Now I'm giving a name to my virtual machine. It is VM1, and then as a user, now I'm giving a password. confirming my password. If you have license, you can choose it. Then I'm moving to the next. We are not creating any disk for the time being, and most important thing is you have to go to the network section and you have to ensure that our VNet 1 is selected or not. Okay, and VM its IP1 is created. So if it's done, we can move to the next step, and we should keep these things same as default as it is. Then I'm moving to the advanced section. Then if you wish, you can give the tags here. Then I'm going to create my virtual machine 1. So it's right now in a review process. If validation is passed, then it will show a green sign. Then I'm going to create one. So it's in progress. After creating, it will give us a message. Actually, right now deployment is in progress, so we have to wait couple of minutes to complete its deployment. So we have to wait some minutes. To complete this deployment. So our deployment is completed. We can check our virtual machine. So it is already started. So in next phase, we are going to create our second virtual machine. So this is the same process. So VM1 is created. Right now we are going to create virtual machine 2. So first we have to make sure our subscription is selected or not. Then we are going to create virtual machine 2. Same process. I'm choosing my resource group. I'm naming it VM2, giving it Azure user. I'm giving a password to it. So next step, we are clicking on network, and we have ensured that our virtual network is VNet 1 is selected, and IP address VM2. Okay, and we are clicking on to next stage. So we are going to create and review it. Validation is passed, and in the next stage we are going to create. So we have to wait couple of minutes to complete the deployment. it's in progress, so we have to wait again some minutes to complete its deployment. It's almost in its progress. Just we have to wait some minutes. So our second virtual machine is also ready. We can check it from here. So it is started running as well. Now it's time to test. We could connecting our virtual machine 1 with virtual machine 2 with the help of our virtual network. So to do that, we are now entering into our virtual machine 1 and we are going to connect it through RDP. So to do that, we are now downloading our RDP file for VM1, and from the folder we are trying to create connect our virtual machine. I'm clicking on it. Let's check. I'm clicking on connect. So it asks for to give the username. I'm clicking on OK. It's a validation certificate. So I'm clicking on it. So we are right now entering into our virtual machine 1. So we have to wait some minutes to prepare the virtual machine ready. So as you have seen that we are right now in our virtual machine. So here we are going to open our PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell, we are going to run it as an administrator. Okay, so we have to wait. Let's check ping VM2. So as you have seen that it can connect with our virtual machine 2 through our ping request. Okay, and we can see this here as well. If we minimize our virtual machine and this way actually we could connect one virtual machine with another through our virtual network. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to create your own virtual network and connect it can connect your two virtual machine through this virtual network. So that's all from me from this video. Hopefully you will learn the process after watching this video, and if it seems helpful to you, feel free to share with others. Thank you for watching.